the Wintec Secondary Science Teacher Educator Communicator Award.
Well, I think I was always going to be a biologist. I started a degree at University of Waikato and specialised in lake ecology and physiology. As part of that, I started to work on Part 1 labs, tutoring, and that sort of started me on a path to trying to find out what actually switched kids onto biology and how I could help them to understand concepts that they were having problems with. I stumbled across Richard Allen, who was just starting off along the same line of thought, and so we sort of pooled our talents and ended up just sort of aiming to produce the best possible resources that we could for biology teachers and students in New Zealand. It quickly grew from there, and we constantly worked on refining the product and targeting it to different audiences and looking at material that we could develop into really worthwhile activities that students would enjoy, that they'd find engaging, that would challenge them, and consolidate the information that they had and build on it into giving them a really good solid foundation in biology. Have a great team with me that help me with developing resources. I usually do all the curriculum assessment analysis and deciding on what resources are going to be written and prioritising those, and looking at suitability of those for different students and teachers in different areas, not only New Zealand particularly, but also in our other users of our books in the UK, the US and Australia. Part of the reason I go to conferences and talk to not only teachers who are often quite heavily involved in their own research, they might be on fellowships, that makes it relevant, engaging, it's local. You know that it's a really good opportunity to meet those people and to follow up in their work and read the literature, and looking at how I can integrate that into my own resources and my own teaching activities that can be used. I think that we lose more students to science than we should, and I think what often people forget, there's so much more choice and variety for students now. Whereas there used to be quite a clear academic and vocational stream, there are now many choices available to students, and science is just one of those. So what we have to do as educators is to make science attractive and to help students consolidate their love of the natural world and see it as a viable option for going into a career.